Okay, so I got everything off. Got that off. Here's the tube. As you can see, the front one, this is the front one, and it broke clean off right there. Cracked all around that guy right there. And then also the back two cracked right off. I was only holding by two. But how I took it off was I took a sawzall and I hacked them. I hacked all the little ferrule nuts off. As you see, they're right there. But I cut them, and then I was able to get a ratchet around them, and just I used a bar and stuff that when they were really hard to get out. And I have PB blaster just in case I didn't come into a problem, but they did come out fairly easy. But it wasn't that fun, but it wasn't hard as well. So if you're looking to know how to do the job, that's pretty much how you do it. So as you can see, I got them off. They got a little bit of residue places, but it's an easy fix. And just do vice versa. Put everything back together when you put them back on, and when you put the new one back on, the ferrule nuts self-tighten to the tube itself. So it looks like when you get the part, it looks like you can't connect the nuts to the actual tube, but you really just put the tube right into the nut as far as you can. So one time, once you get it on, there's no taking it back off. So you want to get it the first time, and just tighten them evenly, and it's just self-tighten straight to the tube, and put everything back together, and that should be it. Thanks, guys. Bye.